You're not going to believe this. The most underrated free AI video generator just got a massive upgrade. After teaming up with Midjourney, Meta's AI can now create cinematic shots that rival Sora 2 and Veo 3.1. And the craziest part? It's 100% free. No limits, no watermarks, no region blocks. Now let's see how to use this AI. First, the new chat option. You can chat here and ask anything you like. From the search option, you can find your previous chat history. Now I want to generate an image. Here is my prompt, let's generate it. Alright, the image is generated. Now let's see how to turn this image into a video. If you click on the animate option, it will directly generate a video from the image. Perfect, the video looks very realistic. You can also download the image from here. And here's another way to generate image to video. Click on the video option and upload your image. The generated video ratio will match your uploaded image ratio. Now let's check video.